Alright. I gotta feed these cyberpunk nerds. We got news. See, what you guys don't see is the avalanche that's coming. I got videos done. Yeah, got you covered. Oh, by the way, hello viewers. Another beautiful day. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good or excellent. Alright, listen to this. Nexus Mod improved new open source app with UI upgrades, Cyberpunk 2077 fixes, and more. I continue to be very excited about the improvement to cross-platform open source Nexus Mod app to finally firmly plug the modding hole on the Linux platform, including the Steam Deck. The app is ready for people to use with Stardew Valley, with other games still being worked on. Certain games like Cyberpunk 2077, Baldur's Gate 3, Mount and Blade Bannerlords are currently locked behind a toggle as they are not quite ready. With this release, there's quite a few fixes, but also some nice improvements to interface too, like it now showing in progress collection install in the left menu to be more clear. They also organized the library user interface, as it was getting too cluttered and difficult to use on smaller screens like the Steam Deck. So they turn mods and collection into tabs. Yeah, Nexus Mod says here, in my own testing, the latest version also starts up on Linux a lot faster than before. Other changes, more features, files and mods from a Nexus Mod collection are now ready, only to prevent users from accidentally breaking the collection by editing them. Mods that are required as a part of Nexus Mod collection can now only be enabled or disabled using the collection toggle. The toggle indicator for mods has been indicated to explain better why a mod cannot be toggled when a part of the collection. Clicking this indicator will now open to install the collection page. Continue to refine the UI to make it more compact. The optional tab is now only for collection with option mods. Technical changes, improved updates available pop up to give more relevant advice depending on how the app was installed. Windows XE or extension, or Linux Apple app image, Linux package manager, update the load order package to use the newer display technologies. The advanced install option no longer shows a screen saying the mod is unsupported before showing the option to install files. Oh yeah, I got news for you guys. Anyway, so it says here, where am I at? It says here, the view button on the page will now open the last applied loadout rather than the first one that was created. The login button will no longer be disabled for a start time after clicking on it. If a download fails during a collection, installation subsequent will no longer be aborted. Update Nexus Mod links to newer formats. Update privacy policies link. Yep. And then bug fixes. Says here, fix a few instances where an app would not clean up empty directories on swapping loadouts or uninstalling. In the advanced installer, the suggested folder will now currently shows a name instead of a number. The spine menu will now correctly show up with loadout is active after the app startup. Fix an issue where some Cyberpunk 2077 mods or FOMO mods or faux mods would not trigger correctly. Fix issues preventing mods installed by faux mods from being deleted/disabled. Fix a critical bug that would cause data to be written with the wrong file when installing or removing mods that share some identical files. Fix an error relating to duplicate keys when applying mods. Fix an issue re-indexing the game files after a game update, which would result in DLCs in Red Mod Phantom Liberty being unintentionally deleted when applying a loadout. Fix an issue where large file skips during the index of the game were not properly tracked by apps, causing errors when applying a loadout. And it says known issue: the sort order for some columns does not work. Expected: the game version is not checked when adding a collection, meaning you can install outdated mods without being warned. The table header sorting and active tabs are not saved and are reset each time the view is loaded. Yeah, you guys are good, man. Nexus Mod is on it. They always updating something with this, man. I had to make a separate video for this because yeah, it needed it, especially when Cyberpunk name was mentioned in the list. I'm like, okay, I got a Steam Deck for that. so yeah, I had to do that, man. But Nexus Mod is on it, man. These guys don't play around. Always updating something with this, you know. So if you guys are very experienced with this, or this is your first time, you probably used it before. Well, this update should help you for now. So have fun with it, man. But yeah, updates rolling in, man. This is 2025, man. So yeah, but I got videos done for you guys. So don't worry, man. I got you covered, man. Right now it's about 8 o'clock. Oh yeah, I'm gonna drop all of them on you before 10 o'clock. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Nice talking to you people again. Crystal, Star Wars, Star Trek, or Dark Side. Go. Peace.